celebrate Elsa and all her icy powers. Pew, pew. Snow and ice and building snowmen. Fun stuff. Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another delicious episode of Man Cake. Today, we're going to be making white chocolate fudge with a little bit of blue to celebrate the awesome new trailer for Frozen 2. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I've got so many questions like is, Elsa a waterbender now, or Hans become Captain Planet running with all the deer, and Anna's running around like Black Widow and doing somersaults and flips, and most importantly, does this take place after Kingdom Hearts 3? Like, hello? Feed me these answers. I'm so excited. So our white chocolate fudge is going to be dyed blue with some little white marble swirls to kind of give it a nice frozen effect. All the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. You click that and ring the bell, and you can stay up to date on brand new weekly recipes. Now, let's go ahead and start on this yummy, delicious white chocolate fudge. I know you guys are gonna love it. In a microwave-safe bowl, we're gonna add 3.5 cups of white chocolate chips and 1 full can of sweetened condensed milk. Then we're just gonna pop that in our friendly microwave and let that all melt and mix together about a minute and a half. I suggest stopping it every 30 seconds, giving it a little mix, put it in for another 30, a little mix, and finish it off at another 30, and give it a mix. White chocolate can be so temperamental. And with our white chocolate all melted down with our sweetened condensed milk, we're gonna add that to a new mixing bowl, and then we'll follow that with our 2 last ingredients. I told you, it's gonna be very quick, but so amazing. So let's go ahead and add a ½ teaspoon of vanilla and a couple of drops of blue food gel coloring. Now, depending on how blue you want it, you can add a little more drops, but remember, a little goes a long way. Now let's go ahead and mix these all together. So with those mixed, we can go ahead and get ready to pour these into a prepared pan. Today, I'm just using just a regular square brownie pan. I think it's like a 8x8 pan, lined with some parchment paper for easier removal. And lastly, we're just gonna place our fudge in the fridge and let's set and cool for about 3 hours. Aww. I know I said it was going to be quick, and it was, ingredients-wise, but we do have to wait that 3 hours. This way the fudge really just gets that nice fudgy hold to it, make it nice and good. Well, it's been 3 hours, our fudge is set, it's cooled, it looks really cool. I love the white and blue effects. It makes it look so just like inviting, just dive right in. But I don't want you to judge me and dive into this with a spoon, so let's go ahead and be civilized people and cut this into little fudge squares. And there you have it, our simple but oh so delicious white chocolate fudge. The little blue for celebration of Elsa, or favorite Disney princess. Well, my favorite Disney princess. But you should definitely let me know what your favorite Disney princess is down below in the comments. Why not? Maybe we can do a Disney princess inspired cake. We've never done a princess cake before, but I feel like it's not that hard. Just cake. Let's dive in for our delicious taste test. Totally cute. Amazing, perfect, delightful fudge. I know you guys are gonna love this. So good. I'm gonna save this for later. Well, that's all I have for you guys this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below, and if you make this delicious, yummy white chocolate fudge, which I suggest, give a tag on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or any of the social places. Pretty much if you're there, I'm there too. I like to be everywhere and say hello. Until next week, bye!